What's up, guys? My name is Justine, and today we're making epic slime. What's up, guys? My name is Justine, and today we're gonna be making slime. Slime! Epic slime! Epic slime! Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. What's up, guys? Today we're making slime. It was one of my hobbies when I was 5 years old. And so first we'll be needing glue. You can use any type of glue. Actually, you can't use any type of glue. You can't use wood glue, Gorilla Glue, and obviously not super glue. Because the super glue would obviously stick to the bottom because it's super. It's pretty super not helpful to us. This is the main ingredient, the glue. You need it the most. And the glue is probably the most important thing that you need. So this bowl is going to be for all the items in here so we can combine the slime. The epic slime. This is the second ingredient, lotion. The lotion makes the slime stretchy. And the lotion makes the slime sticky. Okay, so we need, you can have any type of lotion. There are millions of color combinations to make your slime. Here are mine. This is a magical liquid. The magical liquid replaces the baking soda and contact solution.
Elmer's Magical Liquid is an all-in-one formulation that transforms most Elmer's glue into slime. It's safe, washable, and non-toxic.
This is a magic liquid. It's called the magic liquid because it makes the slime form and make it actually into slime except for a blob. The magical liquid bonds with the glue and the lotion. And we're just gonna put 1 cup of what's it again? Lotion. Lotion. Do that again, do that again. So we're gonna put 1 cup of lotion. And now we're gonna add the color. And then I use these to take out the colors so it doesn't so we don't make glue in with the colors. And now we're going to add some magical liquid. we need a bowl and a mixing tool so you can mix the stuff. Glue, just we need to do that. It can't be any type of glue. You can have a Ziploc bag or a container for the slime to be in after you're done playing with it so it doesn't get dry. So yeah. Lotion, it could be any type of lotion. Oops, sorry.
It's okay, I'll delete all this.
Okay. Okay, so we need any type of glue. What's up, guys? Today. So, probably don't want that to happen. Hope you. Okay, so we need lotion. You can use any type of lotion. It just has to be lotion. And I forgot to say my name. Oh, wait, what?
Slime.
The magic liquid is to bond the school glue and roasted boy.
Pierre, don't leave.
What's up, guys? Today What's up, guys? Today my name is Justine. What's up, guys? Today What's up, guys? Today we're making slime today. No, it didn't. What's up, guys? Today What's up, guys? My name is Justine, and today we're making epic slime. You did it too slow. Actually, how do you know?
Happy 11th birthday, Justine. I hope that you continue to keep God first and continue to do good for goodness sakes. I pray that you are sheltered during the rainy days. I also pray that when you stumble and fall, that you continue to rise back up. I pray that you learn from life's lessons and it brings you clarity and a sense of purpose. Continue to be the sweetheart that you are. I wish the best for you, always and forever. Your dad.